Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhyme. We're glad you're here.
When the meal is done, it's time to play. But wait a moment, don't run away. Before the fun, there's work to do. Let's clear the table, me and you. Pick up the plates, don't let them fall. Carry them gently, big and small. The forks and spoons go in their place. We'll tidy up with a happy face. Wipe the table, make it shine. Working together feels so fine. Little crumbs will sweep away. We're cleaning champs today. The cups and bowls all get a rinse. Helping out makes us wince. Not a pinch, we'll stack them high, but not too tall. Teamwork makes us proud of it all. Sing a song as we clean up quick. Clap your hands and do a little trick. Clear the table, we'll shout with cheer. It's fun to help when friends are near. Now the table's clear and bright. It's ready for the next delight. Helping out feels so good, you see. We're tidy kids, as proud as can be. So remember this rhyme at every meal. Clear the table, it's no big deal. With happy hearts and helping hands,